Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So I just want to take a look at the shorter time frame here today. Yesterday, in the last few days, we also covered the larger time frame, bigger picture. But now here on the smaller time frame, the price is now on its way towards the Fibonacci support zone that's defined between 2,510 and $2,593. This is, standard micro support here. And as long as we're holding this Fibonacci support area, the overall focus can be on higher prices in the very short term. I wouldn't rely on it holding. It is not my expectation necessarily. It's just a pivot. That's all it is. It's a micro support area. We've got two scenarios on the chart. They are both bullish. I explained that yesterday in detail. In the short term, obviously, the white count is bearish, a bit more bearish. The idea is that in the yellow count, we could have bottomed here in a fourth wave on Sunday, the 18th of May. This is a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. We could now be in a third wave, which is an ABC structure, because the wave 1 is as well. And we could get a 4 and a 5. So basically an ending diagonal in circle wave 5. And a break below that $2,510 level of that micro pivot, micro support area, will not invalidate the yellow count as it is, but it means that the price might not start a C wave rally from there. We might see a reset of wave 2, or maybe even a direct move down into support so that the yellow wave 4 is being reset. So this is an area basically just to watch to see if the market here on this smaller time frame can generate a short-term upside reversal there. These are typically areas where with a higher probability that can happen. So there are 4 levels. It's quite a small area between $2,593 and $2,510 with additional levels at $2,568 and $2,544 US dollars. Yeah. So this is the standard support or micro support area relevant for yellow wave B. Okay, so what if we react, if we see a reaction there? Well, in that case, then wave C can send us higher towards $2,911 or even $3,093. This would be the next upside target area to watch. And that would be for a third wave. Then we can get a fourth wave and a fifth wave. That would give us 5 waves up in circle wave 5 of A. So we already have the next upside levels to watch on the chart. If we break below that lower, or that, let's say, micro support area, then the next levels are already on the chart. This would be the next pivot then. Could very well be that we're falling from this one into this one. And this is where the price then could attempt to form a low next. Please note that this might then be in the A wave in the white scenario, which is a more complex correction. WXY structure in wave A. Here, the blue zone is specifically relevant between $2,365 and $2,134. Then a B wave bounce and a C wave that would give us a larger correction into the lower support area. Either way, both counts are bullish at the moment because in both scenarios, I see the current pullback as corrective pullback, and both wave counts have essentially the same result. But if you're really trading in the very short term, or you're really interested in the micro movements, then most people aren't. I mean, you might be interested, but you might not be trading it. But if you're really trading it, I mean, there is one area here to watch. It's just not really a high quality setup, given that we're dealing with an A-B structure within a diagonal. So it's a bit messy, but that's the best we get here in this overall sideways range. Yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye bye.